Hey, thanks for clicking on this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. You'll see on our channel we have all kinds of good videos to make the most out of your Intex Excursion. But this video is to help you find the right battery. There's so much information out there that really doesn't help you online. So this video will. So to get right into it, we're using our 40-pound thrust mid-coated trolling motor for this video, and also on display you'll see our two 105 amp hour deep cycle marine batteries from Batteries Plus. So on that, to get right into it, the first decision you have to make is what kind of battery. That's easy. According to Minn Kota, you need a deep cycle marine battery. Next, you're going to come across options like gel or lead acid, among other ones. But focusing on those, gel, it costs a lot more money. They are nice because you can put them on their side, stow them any way, and you will not leak battery acid. But you don't need that because the options you have to stow the battery on the Intex Excursion are limited. Either wedged between the driver's seat and the side of the boat, or in the middle like we do to distribute the weight evenly. So two decisions already made. Deep cycle marine battery and lead acid. So next is, what size battery do you need and what are the sizes? And it comes down to three sizes: small, medium, and large. Group 24, 27, and 31. But before getting into the specifications of each one important thing to understand is amp hours. And using this as an example, this is a 105 amp hour battery, meaning you can draw 1 amp for 105 amp hours, or 1 amp for 105 hours, or draw 105 amps in 1 hour. So to put that in perspective, this, according to Minn Kota, has a maximum draw of 43 amps. So you just divide 105 amp hours divided by 43 amps, and you come up with about 2.5 hours at full speed. But remember, you're not going to be going full speed. You're going to go at a much less consuming speed 3 or speed 2. You're going to stop in the middle of the lake and just float, pull up on a beach. So this is plenty of battery. But if you do have maybe a 55-pound thrust that uses up a lot of more energy, and you have a hard floor maybe, you're probably going to want to definitely get something like this. So to get right into it, what are the options? This list I'm about to show you right here is compiled from specifications for interstate marine batteries, die-hard marine batteries, and this Duracell battery you see. So starting off with the small Group 24, it costs about $109, weighs about 45 pounds, provides 75 amp hours. The middle one, Group 27, about $134, weighs about 53 pounds and 90 amp hours. And the big one, the Group 31, costs about $150, weighs about 60 pounds, and has a rating of 105 amp hours. So that's going to help you determine what kind of battery you should get. But you'll definitely need a battery box, and in the description of this video you'll see a link for a pre-made box. I just recommend getting that. It's like $60, $65, but it has the USB charger built in already, voltmeter, and it looks like if you do want to get this Minn Kota plug, so you just plug your motor straight into it, you could modify the box to accommodate this plug. It looks like it. But if you don't want to do that, just get something like this. The link I provided in the description will take you to this battery box. We painted it on the top white just to keep it cool because that can affect battery performance. But the link provided will take you to this box with the strap. If you get a smaller battery, you're in the right area of Amazon to find that's the right box. But just make sure you get the strap too. So now that you're at the lake, you're home, first thing you want to do is put your battery on the charger. And also in wintertime, pull it out of storage maybe once a month and just top it off. But you don't need a big charger to do this. We used to have a bigger, quick charger, and it was just a pain in the neck. It went haywire and broke on us. So we got this. You just plug the black onto negative, red onto positive, plug it in, and the computer will do the rest of the work. But this particular charger I couldn't find on Amazon, so I put a link in the description that will take you to something similar to this. It's a 5 amp, so it'll be fast enough. But either way, assume it's going to take overnight to charge that battery. Of course, it depends how deeply you discharge the battery, how big it is. That really comes into play. But if you just get home from the lake, put it on the charger, the next morning take it off, you're going to be fine. And if it finishes charging before you get to it, it's not a big deal. It'll just go into maintain mode and take care of the battery for you. So that's the easy way to get battery juice to your motor. It's not very complicated, but if you do have any questions, put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. But please do subscribe. Thank you.